Keychain light, battery replacement. Good thing is they are all simple. LED and a battery. Polarity, I take this out and replace it. So now the explaining part. After taking out the screws, you will see the battery. It is usually a 3-volt button cell battery. And the polarity is as followed. The smaller part is the negative and the big housing part is positive. The way those keychain lights work is simple. You have got a LED and it's wedged along this battery. This would work as it is, but then it's constantly on. Therefore, we have the pins. Here we see the pin in his off position, not touching the positive part. Yeah, and now, if you press on it, it's bending it down again, and the light is lighting up just like intended. Yeah, it's a very simple design, no circuitry, just a battery and a LED. And there's not much you can do wrong. I mean, if you get the polarity wrong, the LED simply won't light up. So, if this happens, just turn the battery around and see if it lights, it lights. If it is constantly lighting, you may have to bend that little pin gently back up again a bit so it doesn't touch in the off position. Yeah, and that's actually it for this part. Now I will show you a diagram how it looks when it is installed in the housing, so we get a bit of a better picture of what I've just explained. And then we will see the reassembled light and how it's working. Yeah, here it is. The red part is the rubber button, the blue part is the housing with the LED in front and the battery. Push the rubber button and the light lights up. Yeah, those little keychain lights, they are great. They last forever if the battery is full and you don't get them wet. And otherwise you just have to clean the pins a bit. Yeah. This is not very bright, but it's made to see if your money is counterfeit. I can replace the LED with a standard white one and have a very good solid keychain light for a survival kit. It's the old one. This was before they had white LEDs. This one is really neat. It even got a metal housing. So now you know how to replace the battery in your keychain light. If you have any questions, just write a comment. I read all the comments on my channel, and if they are good comments, I will answer. If they are bad comments, you will be banned immediately. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed this video, and I see you next time here on SBC SB Cinema.